we realized we forgot to have the water transferred over. So at 7:30 in the morning, Drew has to go over to City Hall, have it transferred over. So
What you do to me.
I'm trusting God that I won't go into labor until the water is turned on, because I actually don't know what I would do otherwise. So I don't know. My midwife has privileges at a birthing center. Hopefully that would work out, even though she wouldn't know till last minute. I don't know. That's the drama right now. We have no water. All our stuff is here. All the medical things, all the stuff, they're unpacking it. The best people in the world came to help us, and we have no water. So hopefully it gets turned on before I go into full-on labor. I'm 3 days past due, by the way, and having lots of contractions.
Word of God. For all flesh is like grass, and all its glory like the flower of grass. The grass withers, and the flower falls, but the word of the Lord remains forever. And this word is the good news that was preached to you.
This is your water when you want it.
Chapter 2. So put away all malice and all deceit and hypocrisy and envy and all slander.
Thank you, honey.
Like newborn infants, long for the pure spiritual milk, that by it you may grow up into salvation, if indeed you have tasted that the Lord is good. As you come to him, a living stone rejected by men, but in the sight of God, chosen and precious. So the honor is for you who believe, but for those who do not believe, the stone that the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. And be subject for the Lord's sake to every human institution, whether it be to the emperor as supreme, or to governors as sent by him to punish those who do evil and to praise those who do good.
Wow.
For this is the will of God, that by doing good you should put to silence the ignorance of foolish people.
Chastised.
Live as people who are
I
free,
keep thinking I
not
need to
using your freedom as a cover-up for
and
evil,
it's all a lie.
but living as
But I
servants
do
of
need
God.
to pee. I just...
Honor everyone. Love the brotherhood. Fear God. Honor the emperor. Do not fear anything that is frightening. Likewise, husbands, live with your wives in an understanding way. The face of the Lord is against those who do evil. Now who is there to harm you if you are zealous for what is good? But even are, they might live in the Spirit the way God does. The end of all things is at hand. Therefore be self-controlled and sober-minded for the sake of your parents. Above all, keep loving one another earnestly, since love covers a multitude of sins. Show hospitality to one another without grumbling. As each has received a gift, beloved, do not be surprised at the fiery trial when it comes upon you to test you, as though something strange were happening to you. But rejoice insofar as you share Christ's sufferings, that you may also rejoice and be glad when his glory is revealed. If you are insulted for the name of Christ, you are blessed, because the Spirit of the godly and the sinner. Therefore, let those who suffer according to God's will entrust their souls to a faithful Creator doing good. Chapter 5. So I exhort the elders, exercising oversight, not under compulsion, but willingly, as God would have you, not for shame for you. Be sober-minded. Be watchful. Your adversary multiplied to you in the knowledge of God and of Jesus our Lord. Steadfastness with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection.
Baby.
Yeah, we'll count, but I think I was in labor for like 20 minutes or something. I don't know. She seems all happy and snuggly, and then when I move her away from me, she's like
fussing.
Hey.
Oh, that was. You only pushed like once. Like you only felt like, and it was like done. You knew. You really knew.
I was like, I think that's the head, because the water breaking doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, because when it hurts so bad, you're like, I can't handle.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't handle it.
When I heard you, the high pitch, like, I'm like, oh, it's time. I need to get my hands down there.
Hi, honey. Gosh, when that fell, I wonder about her belly button now. Because it's really pulled it out.
Well.
She didn't cry about it though, so.
No, but yeah.
It doesn't look right. Her belly button doesn't look right.
Well, Brittany will be here real soon.
Brittany would have stopped that from happening probably, but.
Yeah.
But when I stood up, the placenta just like came out.
Yeah.
Boo boo. I keep pissing her off just to make sure she's good. Actually, this one actually looks redheaded.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Oh, are you trying? She does not look as big as Sissy did. Here, put your finger on this so you don't get tippy toes. Oh, thank you. Oh, she's not eating like her Sissy did right away. Okay, well, I was in labor for like 20 minutes or something. I'll count later. You guys wrote down the time she was
We guessed.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, she's looking. She's looking.
I think she's trying to clean the.
If you bring me more pillows, I think that's enough vlog.
What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times where can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right here if you get lonely. Give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good. Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much left to say.